Hey guys, welcome back to the next day in Barcelona. Go grab brunch and we just woke up like 2 hours ago and it took us that long to get ready. But we're on our way out now.
And we're not even actually ready.
No. This is my fit for the day. I've got this cute top and these jeans that I was wearing yesterday. Bear in mind, we didn't pack a lot of things. So putting earrings in. I wanted to do a haul of everything we've got, but I was just too much in a rush. But I got these big ones, and then I got these smaller ones, and then these flower ones, and I love these. Tell me you're on a girl's holiday without telling me you're on a girl's holiday. It's nice. And I forgot to charge my bloody camera, so now we're gonna have to do with the dead camera. So we're going to get a car. There's a dog in there and I got really scared, but it's so cute. And then I walked back out and we ordered our matcha, so just waiting for that of Spain. Okay, got the matcha. This is such a bad view, but this is matcha. This matcha is so good. Best matchas I've ever tasted in my entire life. We're just walking to my friend cafe now. Sarah and Zainab are always ahead, and me and Miriam are always here walking slow because we're slow coaches. And it was open today. I don't know. It's good. It's really good. Is it? Okay guys, we made it to my friend. You guys know that means I love this place anyway. So I've got menu here, but they don't do the Turkish eggs that we got last time. Which is so bad. Just get the Turkish Benedict. Breakfast. I personally prefer doing YouTube over TikTok, I'm not gonna lie.
I got like sit down.
Yeah, like you better YouTube. Okay, so I have this. I think it's a smoothie. I did just try it, but try it again. It's actually not bad. It basically tastes like a smoothie. Like an acai smoothie.
Right now I've been drinking water all night.
It is! Night, we were like, what? Oh, woke up and we were like, we need water. And there was no water.
Yes, you are.
That's so good.
The water.
I haven't had water for 24 hours.
It's just so nice and cold, refreshing.
Literally. Do you understand what we're saying now? I think this is Miriam's and this is Zara's. So this is orange juice and it's fresh, and this is energy, and I don't know what it is, but it's nice. And a latte and her Turkish tea. This is our breakfast, and it's the same thing that we got last time. She got simit, and this is Zara's apple and scrambled eggs. Is it good? Okay, let's do the taste of my food. Okay, I'm gonna try egg and I love the potato.
And the portions are so big.
This is good, I really like it. They gave us baklava on the house and it's so cute and tiny. One's a chocolate one, one's a normal one. Fun fact, I don't like pistachios, so I'm just having the top part of the baklava.
Do you know who does got more that?
Okay, I'm gonna taste the cannoli now because I don't know. Mine didn't
Live up to the expectations.
Actually quite nice.
It's nice, but I didn't expect it to be hard.
Innit? I thought it was gonna be soft. Cold.
I get that. I think I prefer it.
Double vlogging out here. Cones, there's like loads of them.
It's giving like Christmas markets.
And here, and look at that mango. Zara's getting that mango sorbet because she's like, I want to. I'm gonna follow Zara.
Guys, every time Mare's like, where's Zara? Where's Zara? I'm just like in some.
This is where Zara is. And Mariam.
Hey.
What's your favourite thing about the holiday so far?
Being with you guys.
Oh, we love you.
And the speckled eggs.
Literally.
Look at that building there.
1 second. I've decided to come to back. The ticket you've got to fill out. What's out of 10?
Mozzarella tomato bacon.
It's pretty good. Pretty decent.
I think what would make it a 10 is if I got like passion fruit in it. Oh my god, if it had mango pieces in.
Yeah. You know when I went to Cannes, I got mango sorbet and dropped it all over my clothes and then it didn't come out, so I had to stay in mango sorbet clothes. Fortunately, so then, yeah.
For the whole trip.
Yeah. No, because the trip was only 2 days. I've never got to see the world because my sister. Okay.
Tagliatelle or ravioli?
I love ravioli, but what's inside the ravioli? Parmesan cheese. Is it that one up there?
Yeah.
Mushrooms of the parmesan. Get the parmesan one.
Hot sauce.
What sauce do they have?
What is it called?
They have carbonara, no, pesto.
Go pizza, so this is 10 out of 10 then.
And I'm also gonna get. Can I show the camera?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's this
Look, there. Mango pieces. It looks like he's gonna puke up, so don't look. Zainab's nails look so nice. My nails look so ratchet. I didn't really want to get them done, but I need to go get a manicure. This is the food, so we've got ravioli with the red sauce, some pizza. Aaron's doing the thing over there. I think this is, I just tasted it without the camera, sorry guys.
It's okay.
It's proper good.
It looks comforting. Pick some of this.
To this phone shop because I need a kit. DJI. Why is it doing that? This is the phone case. I think it just matches. It's so cute. Hey dude, so we decided to come to because we came here last time when we came to Barcelona and we're just gonna eat again because all we're doing this entire vlog is eat. Let's try some hummus. Guys, we've extended our stay. I came on here to tell you we've extended our stay for 1 more day. The only thing that was convenient for everybody because we actually have work.
Technically like 2 days because we've got all tomorrow as well.
Yeah. So we're gonna go get ourselves a mandatory matcha. Well, I am because my room doesn't drink.
Hey guys, that's how you know we're having a good trip and we're not even sick of each other yet.
Me and Mariam are just gonna go to the other coffee shop because they wanted to go to get a matcha and I don't want a matcha right now. I want a coffee. Yeah.
What would you call?
So we just order in here. Matcha that I just really want. I don't know why this happens. Is it?
Oh, yeah, because the lights flickering.
Hey guys.
Tell us what you're gonna order.
I actually don't know because everybody knows I hate coffee, but I'm a bit thirsty. So let's see.
You need that coffee. Coffee's good for your fridge.
Oh, I think it's just.
Oh, it's doing it again. Got my iced coffee. I feel like I just dropped the matcha and it'll stain my clothes because I'm wearing white. That we just are reunited over here with all of these.
From different shops.
Yeah.
And what did you get, Zara?
So guys, we are now walking to the bus tour. I don't know if you remember, but last time I came to Barcelona, we actually did this bus tour. So now we've got the girls on it, and we're gonna do it together.
I'm excited. I love stuff like that. I like buses anyway. I'm sad.
I love bus tours. I don't think that's sad. I think it's so fun.
No, but like regular buses. I actually like sitting in the bus.
Regular bus. I can't relate on that. But this this bus tour is fun. It's so funny. I like that this bus tour has no roof. So like you can sit at the top.
And it's nice weather as well.
But you might get hit by a tree. We nearly got hit by trees.
There's a lot of trees here.
Also my outfit.
Oh, I'll do an outfit of you.
We'll do our outfit, yeah. You guys are matching with your outfits.
I literally just said that to her. I was like, I was going different colours. Shein, H&M. My friend made me this.
Oh, that's really cute.
And a Shein for the earrings and Shein for the bag.
The Shein lover.
Primark. Ralph Lauren.
Cute. This is MUN.
H&M, I think.
This is Amazon. And these are Zara's from Shein.
Guys.
Hey, Maria, you're saying?
Shoelace. My
New
top
Balances.
is from New Balance, ASOS, Shein.
It looks so cute. Asking about that top.
This is from ASOS.
Yeah, on TikTok, everyone's like, where's the top?
On the bus tour.
On the bus.
It actually is the perfect weather to sit up here right now.
Isn't it? Last time I came, it was too hot. But today, it is not too hot. It's like really good. Oh, that's so loud. Found this random little cute shop, so we're like trying to shop. Obviously can't wear them, they're not halal.
literally what
This is so, no way. I really like this. But the stuff in here is so cute. These cute clips, but I've already got lots of them. But I only want to buy like a stack.
What are wearing?
I don't know which one. They're both so nice. Oh, I don't know. This one, yeah, this one. Decided to get a bracelet, and this is what it looks like. I think it's really cute and it matches my outfit. Just trying to get this bandana on the back. But I swear to God, the pollen is so crazy. Like my nose is leaking so. But the weather is so nice today. I mean, it's been nice all the time, but it's really, really nice today. I really feel like I'm about to collapse, so I'm just gonna eat my food. I'm just gonna eat. I'm so hungry.
Any kind of Arabian with chicken and veg. That's what okay.
I told him to make this spicy. He made it spicy.
Yeah, what did you guys said that was a good
Arabian. Thanks, guys. But you have to bear in mind we booked this trip like really last minute, and we decided. I don't know where to look. We're going to find food again because all we do in this whole entire vlog is find food and eat.
Literally just we got matcha, now we're going for dinner, now we're going to eat more food.
And then we do 15,000 steps and burn it off and then do it again.
But someone's like, so which sites did you actually go for? Matcha,
coffee,
Spanish latte, actually I don't think
ice cream, gelato,
Babylonia.
Iraqi food or Iranian.
I don't know.
I think, oh my God, they're... Okay, so we're sat on the street.
The most random place ever.
It just said halal on it, so we were like, okay, we want some halal.
But we're not, it's me and her not even hungry.
Yeah.
So we just got a drink.
We just got hummus and a drink. Hummus, we've got bread. Is that?
This is called baba
Ganoush. Oh yeah, baba ganoush. It's our last day, we're checking out right now.
We didn't do our video with the epitome of girlhood.
So we're checking out today and got got dressed because our flight is literally at 10 PM. So we're gonna check in our bags to this luggage room, and then we're just gonna go and enjoy ourselves at the beach today and have a really chill day. I don't think I ended the vlog yesterday, so this is how we're starting today. Yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe because I have so many vlogs coming for you guys. Got very exciting things going on. Did you have a nice holiday? She's updating her vlog. Eve, are you gonna miss me?
We had a really good fun, and I'm actually going to be sad because
Aww.
we actually live a little bit far from each other, from people to meet as well.
It is, like, because there's no in the middle. The in the middle is Manchester.
But even
Oh my God, my battery's gonna die already. But we have a charger, a wired charger.
Oh yeah.
Me too. Got my matcha, guys. My camera's about to die, so we're gonna have to vlog on my phone as well. Are in here. We've just come to this makeup shop and we found, what is this? A She Glam. I know you love She Glam.
Yeah. Well, I don't love it, but I like the blush.
Oh, I have this primer. It's really good.
The blush is actually really easy to put on because look, this is
Did
really
it have like a...
oh shoot, like that is really soft on your face. That
Yeah.
Because the blush is really cute. I have that one, Love Cake,
That's nice.
and I'm wearing it today. So.
Representing She Glam. Then I'm just going to do here. She wants to leave, so we're going to go find somewhere to have lunch. Right, found these. What is that? Is it? Oh my God, that smells exactly like chocolate. I just find these so fascinating. They're so cute.
It's the same
They smell like latte.
It's the same brand as you know that Yara perfume.
Yeah.
It's the same brand. That smells like salt.
That's nice. I think I bought my mum. I bought her one of these, that's why. We love cinnamon. I think we should get whatever one you want. Use it for tiramisu. So we ended up getting this one. This is the classic one. They literally have more stuff in it. Oh, that's my bag that I bought. If we do need a suitcase, we know where to come. I think. No, that's the other one. Is this €5? This is €8. €8 for that. That's like $6. That's so cheap. It looks so cute. I'm struggling. I think I like option number 2.
This is option number 1. This is £3. Well, like £3.
Yeah.
And this is like £4.
I think them ones.
I'll just get both.
I have the same
always
ones.
lose my glasses.
I literally have the same ones here right now. My camera died, so this is how we're vlogging now.
It's a bit cold here, but
Just made it to the beach and the weather is absolutely amazing. You're loving this. I know. Okay guys, this is my salad. It's a Caesar salad. And this is what I've decided to eat. Right, I asked them for some Tabasco because I need some chili sauce in here. I want to take a picture. No, it's fine. I love Caesar salad. Hey guys, the lighting is so bad, but it took us 45 minutes to connect to a taxi, and then we couldn't connect to a taxi through Uber, so then we had to get a taxi from the road. So now we are basically back on our way back to the hotel, and I'm so tired. And the weather looks amazing.
Uh-oh, something's wrong. Please try again.
No Siri, you can't be in my vlog. Probably gonna go grab our bags, get changed and head straight to the airport after this because we've got a flight to catch in 3 hours.